Okay, I saw you guys from now on today. Yeah, here's some. Yeah, here's something. Also, Shaden, I made you download Pilgrim and we still haven't played it. And now that I'm back home, we can play it. I got so distracted that I forgot I was supposed to be drawing. Thank you guys. Very cool. Distracting me, very cool. I use Ibis, the paid one. Oh, I also have Ibis, but I didn't pay for it. I have it cracked, but it was a nice app. Definitely a nice one. Mary, yeah, we must. Yeah, we must. How do you say that? How do you spell that? Hi, Mikey. Play what, love? What? Play what? Oh, Pilgrim, Pilgrim. Sorry, I forgot what we were talking about. I said Pilgrim. My dad making pancakes me think I'm gonna get fatter for Christmas. Hell yeah. I wanna get fatter. I'm using a Kai cosplay photo as a pose reference. Oh man, I miss cosplaying. I was thinking about it lately, but I miss cosplaying. Trying to force myself to say because I gotta celebrate today and tomorrow. You got this. You got this. Hmm.